Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add name servers in Cloudflare, step by step, in the simplest way possible. If your website isn't connected to Cloudflare yet, this is the most important step because name servers are what link your domain to Cloudflare's security and speed features. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to cloudflare.com. Click Login and enter your email and password. Once you're inside the Cloudflare dashboard, you'll see your websites listed here. If your domain is not added yet, 1. Click Add a Site. 2. Enter your domain name like example.com. Don't type HTTP or www. 3. Click Continue. 4. Choose the free plan. 5. Click Continue. Cloudflare will now scan your existing DNS records automatically. After the scan, Cloudflare will show you two name servers. They look like this: something.ns.cloudflare.com, somethingelse.ns.cloudflare.com. These name servers are unique for your domain, so don't copy random ones from the internet. Now copy both name servers, we'll use them in the next step. Now open the website where you bought your domain. This could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, Big Rock, Google Domains Propers, or any other registrar. Log in, go to My Domains, select your domain, and find the option called Nameservers, DNS Settings, Manage DNS. Here you'll see your current name servers. Select Custom Name Servers. Now, 1. Delete the old name servers. 2. Paste the two Cloudflare name servers. 3. Click Save or Apply. That's it, your domain is now pointing to Cloudflare. Go back to Cloudflare. At first, the status may show pending. This is normal. Name server changes can take a few minutes, up to 24 hours to update worldwide. Once done, it will show active. And that's how you add name servers in Cloudflare. Now your website is connected to Cloudflare's speed, security, and protection system. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. See you in the next one.